Okay, so let's talk about heart rate. All right, so I'm going to use two different colors here. So dang it, this thing is annoying. Okay. To increase the heart rate, norepinephrine and epinephrine their response on the cardiac autorhythmic cell is to decrease the pacemaker potential. So decrease the amount of time the potential gets from negative 60 to negative 40. So it's going to reach, we need to reach threshold faster. Okay. To decrease heart rate, acetylcholine will binds to muscarinic receptors on the heart. And they increase the pacemaker potential. So of course it takes longer to get to threshold, to reach threshold. So basically we changed the pacemaker potential in order to change the heart rate. So how do we do that? So the receptors, the acetylcholine and the norepinephrine, epinephrine affect the funny channels. So if we open more, for the first, let me get the blue on there. So if we open more funny channels, more sodium is going to come in and it is going to reach threshold quicker. So we get to threshold, depolarize, repolarize, down, and up we go again. Boom. Depolarize, repolarize, up we go again. Depolarize, repolarize, up we go again. Okay, so right here, the potential, the pacemaker potential it's taking less time to get to that negative 40. So with the decrease in heart rate, that's going to increase heart rate. To decrease heart rate, we're going to lengthen the time it takes, increase the time it takes to get from negative 60 to negative 40. So that means we're going to close off some IF channels, right? So that's what acetylcholine will do. Less IF channels open, the slower it takes to get to threshold. Depolarization, repolarization, boom. There. There. So you can see how different the heart rate would be when we change the number of IF channels that are open. The more that are open, the more sodium can come out, and the faster we get to threshold. If we close some, the less sodium comes out, then the slower we get to threshold. All right, so this is sympathetic, right? This is a sympathetic response. And this one is parasympathetic. So our resting heart rate is normally, on average, about 72 beats per minute. So the SA node, it's on its own is going to be about 90. So it's the parasympathetic nervous system that helps to maintain our normal resting heart rate at 72 beats per minute. All right. I think that's it on the heart rate. All right, and so now we're going to talk about the cardiac cycle and the electrocardiogram.